10th Samachir Max exercise 6.1 7th sum. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So it is given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. So squaring both sides, you will get sin theta plus cos theta is equal to the whole square is equal to root 3 the whole square. That is, I am squaring this. Okay. So you will get sin, you expand this means you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to square root 3 the whole square will give you 3. So now this 2 will give you 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta you will get 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. I am taking this 1 this side means you will get 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So cos theta sin theta is equal to what? 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So you will get cos theta sin theta value as 1. Now you have to show whatever is given with that you will get one data, then you have to prove in that data what is given for you. So they have asked you to prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So tan theta can be written as sin by cos, cot theta can be written as cos by sin. So it is equal to, you take LCM means you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is sin theta will be multiplied with this, cos theta will be multiplied with this. So sin theta sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So this will become 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will give you 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. So you know sin square theta plus cos square theta will give you 1, and you know that sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. You have shown that. So now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So your answer is your right hand side, that is equal to 1. Next you come to the second subdivision. They have given root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Show that 3 tan theta is equal to 3 tan theta. 3 tan theta is equal to 3 into tan theta, tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So now with this you will get one data. You would get root 3 sin theta is minus cos theta is equal to 0. I am taking means root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. So you want this value here, this side. So you will write sin theta by cos theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. That is, you cross multiply and see root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta you will get. So now root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. So I am taking this cos theta this side, I am taking this root 3 that side. So you will get sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So that is, sin by cos will give you tan. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So you have got the value of tan theta as 1 by root 3. When is tan theta equal to 1 by root 3? When theta is equal to 30 degree. You know that. So when theta is equal to 30 means you will get 1 by root 3. So in the place of theta you will get tan 30. That means tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. You have found the value of theta with the given value. Now you take up the left hand side, tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta is equal to what? Tan into 3 into theta is for 30 degree. So it is equal to tan 90. It is equal to, you know, tan 90 is equal to infinity. Now we come to the right hand side. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So tan 3 theta, that is I am taking 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So you will get 3 into tan 30 minus tan cube 30 divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 30. You write the value. 3 into tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3 minus tan cube 30. Tan cube 30 means 1 by root 3 the whole cube by 1 minus 3 1 by root 3 the whole square. So you cancel means you will get, you know, 3 means what? Root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 gets cancelled, so you will get root 3 here. So root 3 minus, you root 3 the whole cube, that is root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will give you what? 3. So you have this root 3. So you will get 3 root 3. That's what I have written, 3 root 3. Okay, divided by 1 minus, you expand this means you will square this means you will get 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so you will get 1. So it is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 means denominator you have 0 means your value is infinity. Already you have shown that the left hand side is infinity, right hand side is also infinity, hence proved. Okay.